Hello everyone, in this video we are going to fix Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 no sound problem. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new in this channel. So to fix Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 no sound problem, simply first of all just tap on settings and go to sound settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.